Wagwan Jamaican massive. So, hear me I say. I should have been doing this a long time, like a long time ago, you know. But demotivated, hombre. Guys, it's not easy, you know, to like get up and just say, oh, hey, well, I'm gonna do a video today. I have to know what I talk about, right? And I have to make sure say, oh, what I'm saying, you understand what I'm saying. You get me. So, hear me say. My channel, I'm going to be talking about Photoshop business. You see me? Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna cut up my images and man. See me put my head pan body, pan other people body, pan celebrities and all them things. You see me? Or I can change the shirt color and all them things. You see me? And the whole video editing aspect, zine, lighting, sound, all of them things there. So, oh, more. I forgot there's more because I even have a Jamaican vlog that is coming soon, where I'm supposed to travel like all over Jamaica, but Corona time. So like the beach them closed, the hotel them locked. So like certain place I want to go can't get to go because them lock. You see me? But nevertheless, Mega still try shut it up. You see me? Mega still try for myself and get it done. Really and truly, I'm here for mostly like the Jamaican people. You see me? Cause more make sure say yo, I'm here for like the Jamaican massive because I realize that yo, enough content creators, enough photographers out there. You see me? People keep on asking, yo, how you do this, how you do that, blah 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 blah, but you can't really respond to everybody one time, don't it? So best for us put them on my channel. You see me? I have some of the gears, you see me? But as a content creator, you just always want more and more. But okay, well, I'm gonna show you some of the stuff them that I've been up to. I posted one of them on this channel already, but I've been working on a new TV series called Chill, and I didn't know that my acting skills, I mean, I never know that I had acting skills, isn't me? Thanks to the director, Michael Holgate, you see me? Thanks to him, the system I have little acting skills. And also, I was one off the DPs, you see me? Director of photography. So it felt so good to get hands-on, you see me? Shooting that TV series that is coming out this year, you see me? That come out that year. I gotta drop the trailer, you see me? So you can see what I got, you see? So just like, comment, subscribe, you see me? Click the bell, you see me? More forward on this channel.